Oh, that's right. This is not electrified. What's happening, guys? I had to put that in there a little bit. This is a little bit of a funny. I'm not sure if you remember this one or not. This is the Jasmine, all acoustic. No, nothing else. There's no. You can see there's. Oopsie. Better be careful. Dad might kick my butt. There's no electronical devices. There's no plug-in anywhere. It's all 100% acoustical. This is that Jasmine that I gave my dad. I think I gave it to him last spring or the spring before last. I'm not exactly positive. I got it all in my records and whatnot. When I made a repair, it's not the prettiest repair on earth, but it's a repair done to the bridge with super glue and sawdust. And nothing is separating, nothing is going bad, nothing is going on that's not supposed to be going on. Seems to be holding together just fine. It's got a bone bridge in it. I did a little side work to the frets when I picked it up from the pawn shop. Either last year or the year before. I got it documented. It'll be okay. I've got Fender 1048s. I'm not sure if that's the number for... No. Yes. 1048 for acoustics. I was over at my parents yesterday. My mom turned 84 years old yesterday. She's still just as smart as a whip. And I'm not going to test her patience because she'll still turn me over her knee and spank me. She'll tear me up, so I better be careful. Anyway, I was over there yesterday and I was checking on mine. I've got the twin to this one. And there was something about this one I wasn't really happy with. It's something, everything was good. It mostly stayed in tune. It had a little adjustment here and there. But that's before I learned how to work on sides of nuts and whatnot. It was, when you run your hand like it was really sharp, it'll grab your fingers. I got rid of that. I filed it away. I smoothed it out, so it's a whole lot better now. Then I noticed the back of the neck was real sticky and glossy and sticky and stuff. So I got some 800 grit sandpaper. Took care of the sticky. I got rid of some gloss and got the sticky is gone. What's sticky? There's no sticky on this neck no more. So this is officially fixed. So what I did, you wondered, how'd you sneak your dad's guitar home? I said, well, let's see. I put it in my bag, the one where my Jasmine was, and I put mine in his bag. And said, Dad, I'm going to take my guitar home and do a little work on just something about the nut that's pinging. It's needs to be fixed. The nut, these strings are getting stuck in. I told him that. I snuck his home in my bag, so don't tell him. Don't tell him. He might come looking for me. Now, if it's doing something good, like fixing something that's not quite right, then it's not a problem. And I will take it right back to him after I spend a little time with it here. Just, I'm thinking about getting an Ashthorpe acoustic and comparing it to this one, which I'm sure this one will probably outperform the Ashthorpe, but I could be wrong. I'm sure the Ashthorpe has the plastic bridge. I'm pretty sure it probably has at least 11s, maybe 12s on here. But these are 10s, and it's just a regular open strum. I got it geared 10 to 10, no, D to D, like starting D and ending with a D. In my mind, what that does, that pulls on the neck less. It pulls on the bridge less. And plus you go a little bit lighter gauge string, it puts less stress on the neck and the bridge. And of course, your tuners and stuff. That's just me though. But this thing sounds still sounds really nice. That little buzz you heard was me. That was me, not you hear that? That's the result of me not fretting the string properly. So let's hear what we got. For an acoustic, this has a very nice ring to it. It sustains nicely. I think that bone bridge plays a big part in that. I could have put a bone nut up here, but if it ain't broke, why? Well, I had to do a setup anyway, right? I just wanted to hear how would a bone bridge sound. It sounds excellent. It might even sound even better with a bone nut. This might be a bone nut. I don't know. It's probably plastic, but I don't know. The model number to this one is an S34C. Jasmine by Takamine. Hopefully you can see in there. Let's do some other things. Let's Well, I attempted to play a little bit of the jingle by Ted Talks Guitars in Life. I kind of stumbled it up a little bit, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Whatever this is right here, guys. Whatever that chord is, I have no clue at all. It seems to go together. It sounds cool to me. I'm pretty sure that if the guitar was tuned E to E, it would sound a little different. But being that it's D to D, it sounds different. So let's just take a listen to something. pulls these strings on it. Mine don't sound this good. I've got the twin of this one. Mine's still got the plastic bridge. It's got a little bit heavier strings on it, but I will bring mine back here and do a changeover like I did with my dad's, and hopefully mine will sound just as good as dad's. If it still does, I might just, he won't know that I swapped him. I wouldn't do that to him. I wouldn't do that to him, guys. I hope I made enough noise. Hope I made enough noise. This is way different than playing electric. Trust me, I know. The action is nowhere near as low as an electric, but now this nut could maybe possibly use a little nut slot lowering, just a tad, because you push here. Well, it's not that bad actually. No. Not bad at all. I'm not sure. I don't have no gauges or anything, but I've been told a lot of YouTubers say, well, just put your finger here and press here and see what you got. There's not a whole lot of gap there. Actually, this bridge might be able to be the bottom of it sanded down a little more to bring the action a little bit lower, but I mean, for what it is, I mean, it's playable. It's no question about that. It is playable. Let's see if I can do the Waldo jazz chord here. I don't know what this chord is, but I was watching Loving's Guitar. If you're not checking him out, you need to check him out. He's a cool cat. His name is Waldo Warshaw. He's out of New York, and he has very, very good advice. He talks about guitars and a lot of things. You can't. Well, he does talk about guitars in life, but that's Guitars in Life is Ted's channel, but Waldo, his channel is Loving's Guitar, which he talks about a lot of stuff. And he compares a lot of guitars. His most favorite brand of all time in the budget world, or it might be any world, is Harley Benton. He loves Harley Benton. And I was watching a ceramic pickup versus Alnico pickup discussion and demo by Waldo. And I saw him with this wild, I don't know what this thing is, but I screenshotted where he put his fingers and whatever that chord is, I saw him doing it, I thought, that is cool. Let me screenshot this and memorize and figure out how to put my fingers on the frets, and I'll try it myself. And it works. But anyway, guys, I hope I somewhat entertained you. I hope you might have learned something today. And you got to see this again, and I got to spend some more time with this one. Sure, I gotta take it back over to my dad sometime, but at least I fixed the nut problem, and I fixed the back of the neck where, to me, it was sticky and too glossy. I roughed it up. I put some 800. I took some 800 sandpaper to this, and very lightly gave it some kisses, and now this neck is, to me it's there. It's there to me. I think you could still get these new. I think. I'm not sure. You have to Google it. Look, Amazon might carry them. You might be able to get them on eBay. I got this one out of a pawn shop, as well as my own. Got mine out of a pawn shop. I think I got mine out of a pawn shop back in 21, 22 maybe. I think I picked this one up summer of 23, I think. Late summer, early fall 23. And I fixed it up, fixed the bridge best I could. It's holding up. It must have been done right. I was wanting to get one of my dad. And there you go. This is the one I gave to my dad. And it sounds better than mine. Can you believe that? But he's worth it. He is well worth it. Guys, I want everyone to do me a huge monster favor. Have a great day. Have a great night. Wherever you are. This is Birdman316, and always remember, keep rocking. Your acoustic, electric. Who cares what that says right there, right? A lot of guys will tell you that. Make the world a better place, my friends. This is Birdman316. Sayonara.